Invisor Investment Platform Pricing explained what you get for your money. Invisor is an investment platform aimed at providing professional tools for retail investors. Many people assume platforms like this carry complex fee structures, but Invisor is upfront about pricing. The app is free to access basic features, including portfolio tracking and investment analysis. For advanced tools like algorithmic portfolio management, research reports, and automated rebalancing, Invisor charges $99 per month or annually. There are no trading commissions for supported ETFs and stocks, and deposits and withdrawals are free. Most people get this wrong by assuming advanced investing tools come with high costs. The surprising truth is that Invisor provides sophisticated portfolio management and insights at a very accessible price. For example, a zero portfolio can be allocated across multiple asset classes and automatically adjusted based on market conditions, all for less than a month. In conclusion, Invisor offers transparent, affordable pricing while providing tools typically reserved for professional investors, making it a strong choice for anyone looking to elevate their investment game.